guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. We skipped a video last week, so I want to go ahead and apologize for that, but we're back on track and we're getting ready to get started, and Twink's going to tell you what we're doing today.
All right, so we still have our 03 anniversary bike we're not quite done with, and I want to finish it. We'll finish it up in this video and take it for a spin, but it's raining and stuff today, so we're going to go ahead and start on this one. This is our 12 model Electra Glide. And we got most of the stuff here for it. I want to go ahead and get the new rear fender on, get the saddlebag supports, and I got an Enforcer front wheel. We'll go ahead and put that on there too, and then we'll follow up with the 03 bike.
All right, let's go ahead and get started.
Bikes. I've said 100 times, so much dealing with it. Just like everything goes together like it's supposed to. I love these cheap eBay fenders too because they're plug and play. I mean, all you do is literally bolt them on and plug them in. That's pretty much it. We'll go ahead and put on our saddlebag supports, and one of our mufflers, I couldn't tell until I got it apart, but was bent down from where it got hit, so I ordered new mufflers, waiting on those still. I don't have my contact on yet, so I don't know if those have to go on before these, so I'm just going to leave them loose and let them hang for right now. And we'll go ahead and move on to our front wheel, go ahead and get it off of there and put our Enforcer wheel on. got some new side covers that already come painted black. And I got these cheap that I could find one that was the same color as the other one. So that's what we're going with. Man, we got a bunch of wires up here. I think most of this stuff is still we're gonna use on our tour pack. I'm not sure what I will and won't use yet. I'm assuming it fits, but it's still got plenty of padding. It's not like the little low profile ones that we usually use, but it's a little bit sleeker than the factory frame policy. Okay, so we're on our 03 bike. I think the rain's holding off for right now. Now we've heard this bike run, but we still haven't drove it, so hopefully we're about to take it on its maiden voyage. And I have to put these together outside because it won't fit through the door. So go ahead and bolt on our front fairing. I had the fuel pump all apart, so it's going to have to prime itself again too.
Originally, he was going to do both bikes in this video, but I think we're just going to wrap it up with this one today, and we'll pick back up on the next one with the next bike. If you haven't already, don't forget to like this video for us, subscribe, and